Okay, temporary air conditioning update. We found a major exhaust leak here at the exhaust hose. We ducted shut and we took care of that. It's hotter than hell outside and we're at 80 in here. We are fixing to go over to Home Depot and try to get some closed cell foam to better seal the pipe there off. But the most important thing is that the drain, which we have going into the sink, we have discovered that the sink drains in. You see that slow run? That's the sink draining into this sump pump. That's the pump. That is a float switch down in there. So if we add water to the system, it drains from the sink to the sump, activates the float, activates the sump pump, and pumps it out, shuts off automatically. So we've got a fairly long-term backup solution to the AC.